My dear student, today I am the English lecturer of Chanda Bahu Islamia Fazil Madrasa. I am today going to deliver lecture you on degree. Degree is mainly divided into three kinds: uh, positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. What is positive degree? A when the degree, that is an adjective, does not compare with one thing to another, only describe the person or object's quality, quantity, and other things. This is called positive degree. This degree does not compare with one person to another. But I am going to give an example. He is a good man. Here the quality of the man has been only expressed. No comparison has been made here. But when we will see he is better than you, when we get that this in this comparative degree, this is a comparative degree. In this comparative degree, the comparison is made between two things or two persons. This is called comparative degree. And he is the best boy in the class. This is a superlative degree. Superlative degree, that is, this is the third form of the degree. He is the best, good, better, best boy in the class. This is the third form of degree, good, better, best. So superlative degree always follow the third form of the degree. That is, here is a comparison more than two, more than so many comparison has been made in the superlative degree. So we can this is the only definition of the degree, that is positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Positive degree means no comparison, only describing the quality or quantity. Comparative degree means comparison between two things or two persons or two any objects. And superlative degree is the comparison with more than many things and many objects. This is called superlative degree. But I want to say that how we can change, because this is a changing sentence, transformation of sentence. You will get 1 or 2 degree to change, and that is why we need the change of degree. That is how we can change the degree from positive degree to comparative degree, comparative degree to superlative degree to positive degree. At first I am speaking you, that is from the middle, comparative degree to positive degree. Comparative degree is mainly made of 3 items. That is, what is the 3 items? One is than any other, then is than most other, and then is only than. So than any other, if a sentence has than any other, then we can make it positive by using no other. Than any other, positive, no other. He is better than any other boy in the class. Make it positive. No other boy in the class is as good as he. In this same way, than most other, Akbar is greater than most other kings of India. Very few kings of India are as good as Akbar. That is when you will get than most other, you will use very few. Very few kings of India are as good as Akbar. That is very few. Now only then Rana is taller than Rohim. Here only as rules. That is, Rohim is not as tall as Rana. And we have changed the verb. See here, we have changed the verb. That is positive, affirmative verb into negative verb, because otherwise the meaning will be changed. That is why we have used the verb negative. Meena is more beautiful than Shima. Shima is not as beautiful as Rima. Here you see is not. We have changed the verb. Why? Because the meaning may change. That is why we have made the verb negative. In the same way, if we use the, that is, here we got three rules in comparative to positive. Then any other, no other. Then most other, very few. Only then, as. And in the last rule, the verb may be changed. That is, the verb must be changed. Not maybe, must be changed. Why? Because the meaning will change. That's why we use the negative verb in the comparative degree to positive degree. That is opposite verb. If positive, if affirmative, you will use negative verb. If negative, you will use affirmative verb. In this same, this is the comparative to positive. Now we will go to comparative to superlative. Comparative to superlative, only two rules. That is, than any other. When than any other, we will use only the. Meena is taller than any other girl in the class. Meena is the tallest girl in the class. That is, than any other clause, only the and the degree form is tallest. Tallest means that is the third form of the degrees. In superlative degree, we will always the third form of the degree. In the same way, in another rule, than most other. Akbar is greater than most other kings of India. Akbar is one of the greatest kings of India. That is, here you must use the one of the greatest kings of India. You must use the one of the. In this same way, we have now changed comparative to positive. No other, very few as. Comparative to superlative. The degree third form. He is the best boy. One of the degree third form. Akbar was one of the greatest kings of India. So here, that is the and one of the. In superlative degree, we mainly get the and one of the plus degree third form and one of the plus degree third form. In this way, we will make superlative degree. Now, how we can change the positive degree into comparative degree? Positive degree has no other, very few as. If we change positive degree to comparative degree, no other than any other, in the same way. That is, than any other, no other than any other. Rohim is fatter than any other boy in the class. No other boy in the class is as fat as Rohim. Rohim is fatter than any other boy in the class. But this is the comparative positive comparative. In the same way, Rana is quicker than any other boy in the school. Here, Rana is quicker. No other boy in the school is as quick as Rana. In the same way, the lion is as strong as the tiger. The tiger is not stronger than the lion. Negative form. Positive, affirmative. If you change the positive degree to comparative degree, you have as rule you have to change the verb form. If it is affirmative, you will make it negative. If it is negative, you will make it affirmative. In the same way, you can change superlative to positive. He is the wisest man in the village. No other man in the village is as wise as he. Only the. When superlative degree has only the, then we will use as rule. He is the wisest man in the village. No other man in the village is as wise as he. In the same way, Akbar is one of the greatest kings of India. Akbar is one of the greatest kings of India. We'll use very few kings of India are as great as Akbar. So here, very few kings of India are as great as Akbar. That is one of the. When superlative degree follow one of the, then we will use very few in the positive degree. So here, student, we got three things. That is, in positive degree, no other, very few as sentences. In comparative degree, then any other, then most other, only then sentences. In superlative degree, the plus degree third form, he is the best boy in the class. And one of the plus degree third form, Akbar is one of the greatest kings of India. So if we always remember that positive degree has 3 items, comparative degree has 3 items, and superlative degree has 2 items. Then it will be easy to change degree from one to another, and you will remember it. Your homework is, you will change the degree form to positive to comparative, comparative to positive, positive to superlative. And if you have any question, you will ask me. I think you will be better. And thank you very much. Thank you all the students.